Hi everyone. Welcome to this walkthrough of our updated pension calculator for Pakistan's federal and KPK governments. I've updated this version as of September 2025 to ensure it reflects the latest official logic. We've automated the retirement date for superannuation and added validation for basic pay to help catch errors. We've also refined the commutation and annual increase formulas to match the official AGPR calculator. Remember, this tool is meant to give you a very close estimate, but you should always verify the final numbers with your accounts office before submitting any official paperwork. Now let's look at how to actually fill this out. It's pretty straightforward, just focus on the blue cells. You'll start by entering the pensioner's details like the type of pension, your BPS scale, and key dates. In section 2, you'll enter your last basic pay and any pensionable allowances you receive. The sheet will then automatically calculate your qualifying service and your gross pension. On the right side, you can see the magic happen. It breaks down every annual increase from 2011 all the way to 2025, plus your medical allowance, giving you that final net pension payable figure at the bottom. To help keep things accurate, I've included this BPS pay scale reference table. It covers scales 1 through 22 based on the 2020 to 21 revisions. When you enter your basic pay in the main calculator, the sheet actually checks it against these minimum and maximum ranges. If your pay looks a bit off for your scale, a red warning will pop up to let you know. If the scales are ever revised in the future, you can simply update these values right here to keep the calculator current. One of the most important parts of your retirement package is the commutation, or that lump sum amount you get upfront. This is calculated using a purchase factor based on your age at retirement. For those retiring at exactly age 60, we use the factor of 148.4628, which is the precise figure used by the AGPR. For other ages, the factors listed here are very close approximations. Just keep in mind that the formula basically multiplies your commuted monthly portion by this factor to find your total lump sum. Finally, let's talk about the annual increases, which can get a bit confusing. This table tracks every budget increase from 2011 to 2025. You'll notice that the federal and KPK rates are mostly identical, with a slight difference in the April 2022 ad hoc increase. We've also made sure the July 2022 15% increase is applied correctly to the pre-April base, following official logic. This detailed tracking is what ensures the compounded final pension in our calculator is as accurate as possible. Thanks for following along, and I hope this tool makes your retirement planning a lot easier.